We're broke. Like nearly every state across the country, we don't have any more money.
Wisconsin is fine. Wisconsin is great, actually.
We're broke. America's broke.
America is not broke.
So which is it? Are we broke or are we fine? You know, it's a little late to quibble over semantics, but the plain fact is when it comes to public finances at all levels of government, we're f***ed. Here's deficit projections from the president's own proposed 2012 budget. He predicts that the red ink will continue to flow for as long as he may be in office. At the state level, we're looking at a combined $125 billion shortfall between what states expect to spend versus what they expect to raise in revenue for 2012 alone. And at the local level, the National League of Cities is estimating revenue shortfalls between 2010 and 2012 will end up totaling somewhere between $56 billion and $83 billion.
We have to confront the fact that our government spends more than it takes in. That is not sustainable.
Call us broke, call us fine, but our problems aren't going to get better by pretending they don't exist. Unless you think your elected officials have tiger blood coursing through their veins like Charlie Sheen.
I cured it with my brain, with my mind.
All the hard work is still ahead of us. For Reason TV, I'm Nick Gillespie.